I'm Marcos from ECCPP Auto Parts, here with one of our updated wheel hub bearings designed to fit the front wheels of any 2006 through 2010 Pontiac G6, any 2007 through 2009 Saturn Aura, and any 2004 through 2012 Chevy Malibu. This wheel hub features the same ABS connector as your vehicle for easy installation. The ABS prevents the wheels from locking and ensures the stability of the vehicle's braking direction and prevents side slips and deviations. With 5 pre-installed bolts, a hub pilot diameter of 3.5 inches, a hub bolt circle of 4.5 inches, a flange diameter of 5.4 inches, and a bolt circle diameter of 4.3 inches, this wheel hub is designed to eliminate your wheel noise and vibrations. Composed of steel, this wheel hub is a perfect replacement for your aged or worn out wheel hubs that extends the longevity of your vehicle.